Hey everyone, guess what? Yeah, Solana crashed. You guys can see this from my chart. And I must say that I did give you all a heads up. Yeah, I did tell you all the way back in December, be prepared for Solana to go down. And here we are today, towards the end of the month of January, and the price has done just that. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. I give you all a heads up. I plot it on my price chart so you all can see where price is going to go so that we don't be scared. I'm going to break this down, and then I'm going to break down where I'm looking for Solana to go next. So again, we can win, we can dominate, and we can profit in the market from these cryptocurrency moves. If you guys appreciate all that, check this out. Hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel, because this is what I do. I show you the simplistic way of predicting prices without all of that confusion, without all of that noise that so many people want you all to think you need. You don't need anything but price bars and volume. That's it. Check this out. You guys want to get the latest information of my price predictions? Make sure you come to my playlist, scroll down, find the particular type of cryptocurrency that I cover, and you guys will get the latest information. All right, just that simple. Now, check this out. Let me break down my last price prediction, and then I'm going to give you another price analysis for Solana. How about that? All right, cool. Look at this. Here we are, December the 14th. Yeah, I was playing the weakness into the market in Solana then. You guys can see where I was looking for the buyers to come through into the market in Solana. I know from out the rip you might say, well, HueFin, you got that wrong. You can see how the price went up in Solana. Yeah, maybe I need to increase my restriction area up there. That's probably the only thing I needed to adjust in my analysis. In my price prediction was to bring up that restriction area to around $200. Right? That's about it. But again, the market topped out around 200, and we've been coming down ever since then. That was the high in the market in Solana on the 27th of December. Since then, price has been trending lower. Yeah, this is why I don't do stop losses, because imagine this. If I was in position right here on December the 14th in Solana, expecting the price to go down, and I had a stop loss at $185, I would have gotten stopped out. But my price prediction was right. Yeah, price did go down. This is why I don't use stop losses, because the market can utilize this to their benefit and to your detriment. Yeah, because they can actually see where you're willing to lose. So don't use stop losses on these exchanges. The only one that you need to use in terms of stop losses is the one that you have in your own mind. Don't show people your hand. You definitely don't want to show the market your hand, because they will use it against you. So yeah, we didn't get this wrong. We were in position. We knew that the price in Solana was weak. So now if you were to get out right here on the 20th of January, it's about 18.5%. But look at the price now. It's all the way down here. 47% profitability from a price prediction that I did on the 14th of December. So 30 some days. Yeah, he got 47%. That's done. That is over. I know many of you may be scratching your head. Okay, why in the world is price going down Solana? It's simple. People don't want to buy it. There's just no demand, no interest for this currency right now. So we got to get prepared for where the market is going to go next. Now, I already got a massive indication to you that Solana is no longer bullish, is no longer expecting to go up. And it's this diagonal line right there. This should have told you that, yeah, the dynamics into the market in Solana is changing. It has now changed, and we are no longer bullish into the market in Solana. You have to believe what you're seeing on the chart. You have to. You cannot come in the market and try to finagle something together to conjure up some type of storyline to make you convinced that the market is going to do something opposite. The market told us right here, don't expect the market to go up anymore. It told us that. I mean, we had a very good run back in July timeframe 2021 for Solana. Yes, we did. But as all things in life, it comes to an end. And it came to an end the 6th of January. All right, so now, how low do you think the price in Solana is going to go then? Right? We need to try to figure that out so that we don't try to deploy any more resources to this market until we see the buyers. Right? So check this out. Let's look at this on the 3 weeks time frame. First, you guys can see that the market in Solana has completely fell off. Yeah, it completely fell off. Now, we need to focus in on this area right here to see how low this market is going to go in Solana. It looks scary because it doesn't look like we have a pretty firm area of buyers right around there. It don't look like it. So then our next area that we're going to focus in on is going to be all the way down here towards $40 and $50. Just a couple of months ago, we was trading around 260. And here we are bringing this price all the way back down to $40 to $20. I don't think people are ready for that. Nope. I don't think people are ready to see the market in Solana go down that low. Now, as I change over from the time frames, I'm trying to see where can the buyers prop in at. And you really don't see it here on the 2 weeks time frame. Do you see it on a weekly? What about on a 5-day? What about on a 3-day? This is where our attention needs to be. Okay, I'm gonna break this area down right here on a smaller time frame to see if we can find some support. But right there, around $60. Okay, because we saw a restriction point and the market also bounced off of there. So we saw this price, $60, acting as restriction back in May timeframe 2021, and then in August the 14th we broke it and came and tested it on the 17th of August. So this could be a logical area for us to see the buyers, for us to see support. Okay, now let me break this area down right here, around $67.50 to $82 to see if we can actually find some buyers there. Okay, so here we are. So we can $80 back down here towards like $69, $70. We can actually see some buyers come into the market there, which simply means we're going to take a breather of this monumental movement to the downside in Solana. All right, so since we broke this trend, we need to placate the current trend. Right, we need to follow the rest of the market. So we're going to hold that line there. Now we're in a downtrend. If you just didn't know it, we're in a downtrend into the market in Solana. It seems as if the price is breaking away from this trend. So yeah, we need to see a movement higher in price. I know it's going to catch a lot of people off guard, but this is how the market works. It breaks away from trends so that we can get a very quick reaction to come back up just to get back down. Okay, you should be used to that if you've been into the market for a while. So we might actually find a bounce around $80 to $70 first, and then the market in Solana may give us a little boost, movement higher, but only just to get rejected on this descending line, right? We cannot be bullish into the market in Solana until we see this price break trend, which is this downtrend line. So let me hit this back over to the daily. Like I said, we're going to play the weakness to the market in Solana, and we're going to continue to be weak into the market in Solana until we see price do either two things. Either price will break this restriction area of 105. We'll have to come in and readjust our price target, price prediction, or price breaks this descending line. That's the only way that we'll come in and adjust our price prediction to the market in Solana. So if I see the price in Solana even come all the way up here and it acts like it want to breaks out, but we come back down, then I still know that this price is still weak. All right. So I'm gonna bring this up just a little bit higher to 120. Okay. Now we can see buying coming to the market initially in Solana around $80. So yeah, you might want to grab a little bit of profitability out the market in Solana there. It's about 5%. It's cool, it's decent, but I want us to be prepared that the market can actually flip from going down to starting to go up around $80 to $70. Okay, that's still like another 17% market move to the downside. I'll be cool with that. Yeah, that's my second price target. So we got $80, $70 next. Then the biggest area is all the way down here towards 60. Yeah, we could definitely see the market in Solana come through and hit this $60 price. Okay. Bring it down just a little bit. And then I'm gonna run this into like the beginning of March. Okay, so we could kind of follow the area that we need to focus in on. So this is the area right here. That's going to let us know whether or not price is going to continue to go down, is going to continue to go up. Now, right now, the premise is that price is going to continue to go down. But like I said, if we find buyers around 80, it's not going to go a lot lower than that. If we find buyers at 70, it's not going to go a lot lower than that. But considering what we have on the longer term time frame, the weekly basis, it does look like the market is going to try to hit those areas. Okay. So now, like I said, this is your opportunity. I want you to make this all public. Give me your price prediction, your price target in the market in Solana as we go to the month of March, maybe sometime in April. Show everyone what is your idea, what is your price target, where do you think the market in Solana is going to go next. All right, you got to learn how to do this for yourself. Okay, and that's it right there. Questions, comments, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, I'll see you again on the next video.